Hey guys, today I want to show how to create a CSS file and how to use in HTML. So the CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, on paper, or any other media. So the CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages and the external style sheets are stored in CSS file. So first step is to create this. Need to open the Sublime text editor. And first step, uh, if you want to create a HTML file, need to click to the file and new file and change the plain text to the HTML and save file, for example, to the desktop, and the name will be index and the type will be HTML. Yeah, and next we will create a new file and it will be a CSS and save this to the desktop, and the name will be, for example, the style, and the type will be CSS. Okay, so if you want to write a HTML structure, need to write the HTML and press the tab, and here will be, for example, the title will be the style, and the body we will create a new paragraph with this is a text, and close this. And how to use in HTML the CSS file. So need to write a link to get this file, and here, and the file will be a CSS, and this is a text file, and here write the CSS file name. So it will be a style.css, and this will be a long. Okay, and for example, how to set this text this text color, for example, to the blue. So the paragraph color will be blue. Yeah, so if you remove this and if you open this file in the browser, so it is nothing. So this is a text, and if you write this, it is cancel. Yeah, and so the color will be blue. If you want to align, for example, to the right, so the text align, for example, to the right. Yeah, and if you refresh, so the text will be here. So this is CSS. So thank you for watching. See you later.